Finger family.
The Revelation. Later that same day, Jesus appeared to two of his disciples as they traveled to Emmaus. They did not recognize him, but welcomed him as a traveling companion. We were just speaking about Jesus of Nazareth, they told him. We hoped that he would be the savior of the Jews, but the council arrested and crucified him. Some have claimed to have seen him risen from the tomb, but this cannot be true. Jesus rebuked them for their lack of faith. Was it not foretold that the Son of God must die, then rise again? He asked them. In wonder they recognized him, but he disappeared before them. That evening Jesus appeared to the apostles. Even they did not believe he had risen from the dead, and were afraid, thinking he was a ghost. Touch me, he told them. See the wounds in my hands and feet. I am no ghost.
If you like the video,
subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.